High above the city of Athens, rising from the heart of Greece, stands a monument to human achievement and divine inspiration, the Acropolis of Athens. A symbol of democracy, art, and civilization, the Acropolis has watched over the city for more than 2,500 years. The word Acropolis means high city in Greek, and for ancient Athenians, this sacred hill was more than just stone and marble. It was the spiritual and political center of their world. Built during the Golden Age of Athens, around 5th century BCE, the Acropolis was the vision of the great statesman Pericles. Under his leadership, Athens became the cradle of democracy and the beating heart of art, philosophy, and science. At the center of the Acropolis stands the Parthenon, a temple dedicated to the goddess Athena, the protector of the city. Designed by architects Ictinus and Caryatids, and sculpted under the genius of Phidias, the Parthenon was built entirely from Pentelic marble, gleaming white under the Athenian sun. Inside once stood a magnificent statue of Athena Parthenos, towering over 12 meters high, made of gold and ivory. To the people of Athens, she symbolized wisdom, strength, and victory. Next to the Parthenon lies the Erechtheion, a temple known for its stunning porch of the Caryatids, where 6 graceful female figures replace traditional columns. Each one sculpted with delicate detail, a perfect fusion of architecture and art. To the southwest stands the Temple of Athena Nike, celebrating victory and freedom. Its friezes depict scenes of battles, reminding Athenians of their triumphs against invaders. Through the centuries, the Acropolis has endured, from Persian invasions and Roman rule to Byzantine churches, Ottoman mosques, and modern wars. Yet, despite the scars of time, it remains a timeless symbol of human resilience and creativity. Today, the Acropolis stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting millions of visitors every year. Ongoing restoration preserves its legacy, not just for Greece, but for the entire world. The Acropolis is more than stone. It is the story of humanity's pursuit of beauty, reason, and freedom. A beacon that reminds us, civilizations may rise and fall, but their ideas live forever.